Hello everybody, welcome back to another video for this week's math. So today we will be multiplying decimals, dividing decimals, adding and subtracting decimals, and also converting decimals to fractions. So for number 1, it will be 8 times 0.07, or 7 hundredths, I believe. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 0.07 times 8. We're going to not worry about these decimal points for now. We're going to multiply 7 times 8. What is 7 times 8? 56. So 5 and 6. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is that. And you will always want to put a 0 there. So because there are 2 decimal places in the entire equation, so you will then move the decimal place from here to here. So the answer would be 0.56. Wow, wasn't that easy? So for number 2, you're multiplying everything by 1, and if you multiply everything by 1, it stays the same. And it's the same exact thing for decimals. They stay the same when you multiply it by 1. So 0.3, that's the answer here. For the next one, for dividing decimals, we're going to do some of this. So I'm going to do 0.3, I believe, divided by 3.0. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to do that decimal place to here and move that decimal place to here. So that would be 3 divided by 30 now. 1, and so 0, 10. The answer here would be 10. You have to move the decimal place. You cannot do long division with decimals. It's not very good to do decimal division anyway. It's not very fun. But these ones are fun because they're the exact same. This will just equal 1. If you divide anything by itself, it's 1. That's just a rule of math. It doesn't matter if it's a decimal, anything. So here we're going to do number 1 and number 2. So we will be adding $222.53 to $742.77. You want to do this all from right to left. So that would be 10, and that would be 13, I believe. For addition, you always just want to put the decimal place where they are put, right here. So because they're in the same spot, very nice. We're going to put it down here, right in front of the 3. So here we'll add this. That would equal 5. That would equal 6, and that's $965.30. Always remember to put anything that they have in front. If it's centimeters, put centimeters. If it's dollars, put dollars. If it's a dollar sign, put a dollar sign. Always do the signs. Next, we will be subtracting these two numbers. 889.51 minus 231.22. So here we will go from right to left. So, well, 4, carry that. So that would be here. So that's 11. That would be 9. That would be 2. Subtraction. Addition, subtraction, you always want to put the decimal point there. And then that would be 8. Wow, there's heavy wind outside. That is 5, and that is 658. Remember, dollars and 29 cents. So $658.29 is the answer right here, ladies and gentlemen. Final one, we want to convert these decimals to fractions. I'm going to multiply them by 10. So here you're going to multiply this one by 10 because this is the 10th place. So 0.6, multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. So you automatically move the decimal 1 place to here. However many zeros are behind a 1, you want to move the decimal place that way. Eventually we'll learn how to do it with a bunch of numbers in front of the 0, like a 2 and a 7. But for now, we'll just do it with the 1. So here we go. you're going to move the decimal place here, so that'd be 6 over 10, and then you'll divide both by 2, so that would be 3 over 5. Wow, riveting. Here, you're going to multiply this by 100, so you're going to move the decimal places twice. It's going to be 36 over 100, and you're going to divide both of these by 2, because it's always fun to divide them by 2. But what do we see? We can also find the greatest common factor, both these, which is 4 and 4. So you want to divide both of these sides by both of them by 4, which would leave you with 9 over 25, and this is your answer for number 2 on the converting decimals to fractions. Yes. So this is the end of today's lesson. If you need any help, just go in the description box below the video. There will be an email there. You can ask any questions. You can ask them in the comments as well. Someone will be there to answer your questions, probably, hopefully. Yeah. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic time. I hope everybody will get back to normal soon. And, yeah. It'll be great. If you guys want to see the answers again, these are the answers. Sorry if my paper's shaking. And, yeah. I will see you guys on the next video. Give you guys a happy face, and alright, see you guys next time. Bye!